it do, baby? You already know, guys, it's Vlogmas day 4, 5, 6, I forgot what day it is. Might be, what's today's date? The 6th? Today, what we're doing a lot of things today, matter of fact. What are we doing today? Ah, she bit me. I'm just kidding. We're gonna be doing a lot of things. We gotta go a lot of places, so we might do some little
things to do today.
We might do some Christmas shopping today. We might do some, like, I don't even know. But today, guys, we might get, that's what we're not doing. But today, guys, we're gonna be driving around today, and I'm letting my sister drive my car. Letting my sister drive my car today, wherever we're going. Hopefully she doesn't crash it. Can you drive?
I can drive.
Like, you can drive, but like, can you actually drive? Just because you have your license doesn't mean you can necessarily drive.
Yes, it does.
No. Well, we're about to find out, people. Before we go, you already know, dropping a like down below. Let's get this video started. Set the alarm. Penny, we'll be back. We love you. Set the alarm. Guys, I'm low-key nervous because I don't know if my sister can drive or not. So, we about to see. We about to find out. I'm gonna see you guys in the car. Hey, 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 hey. All right, okay. Hey!
Let's get this show on the road.
Oh, great. Seatbelts, seatbelts.
I'm totally reverse acting this entire video.
Please don't.
I will.
Please don't.
You get used to it. I'm really good.
You sound like you have like a frog in your throat.
Because that's how they sound.
They do not sound like that.
Yes, they do. They talk.
Who has a better actually? I do. They talk like this, bro.
They talk in the back of the throat.
I talk in the back of my throat, bro.
Mine's better.
I don't think so.
Mine's better.
Let them know down below who's better.
It's cold.
You don't say better, right? It's better.
That's how the fake Brits say it. It's actually, I know how to say a T. I'm not stupid.
Do you drink tea and crumpets? I like.
Somebody needs gas.
Why do I always need gas? Oh my gosh.
Right.
Not the gas. Check. You're not even. First of all, you have to start the car.
I know. I was like, why? Okay, I got it.
Oh my gosh.
I forgot.
Start the car, yes.
Well, confusing. Why are you so far back?
Because I'm tall.
Goodness, I feel like I'm sitting on
We
top
have to get
of
gas?
I don't know what that means.
Read the thing. You don't know what it means?
I think that your sensors are wrong, because I think it's fine. Where's that dog? Because I will hit it.
Oh my gosh, what the dog? Watch out for the kid.
He's not even over here. How are you?
You gotta watch him. You know to be running from.
Okay, but where's the dog?
I don't know.
I actually don't like
if
the
you hear
dog,
it boom boom, there's the dog.
Have you seen that TikTok and it's like the guy's driving?
Oh, that was the curb. I thought you really
I know.
I thought you hit the dog.
The guy's driving and he's going.
Why you keep going back? Why you keep going back?
He's
You
going
keep
over speed bumps and he's like, and the person in the car is like, what are those speed bumps? And he's like, what is it?
That's crazy.
And then it's the Polar Express song and it's like, chill.
No, I've never seen it.
Okay,
I need turn signals at all times. You don't know the windshield wipers? Right there, turn them. That's the windshield wipers. Oh my gosh.
I also don't know how to turn your lights on, so whenever I drive at night, I like just can't see. Oh, you're on E, buddy boy. We need to get gas.
Let's get some gas. Thank you.
Oh, sorry. There was a.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
Yo, stop playing.
I forget how your pedal feels. I have to get used to it.
Oh my gosh. Watch the bump. Watch the bump. What?
Lee,
oh my goodness.
Exaggerating right now. I can drive.
You're going faster on these corners. You're really going too fast on these corners. Slow it down. There's like children in the streets.
There's no children. People are in school right now.
Are they really? It's 4 o'clock. They're out of school.
Oh.
The elementary schools the kids are. Goodness. Oh my goodness. Why do you drive like an old grandma? Watch the curve.
Lee, your pedal is like sensitive. Like literally my big toe is on it and it's
I think it's not really sensitive. I think you really have to press down on my gas just to like do it. Watch the mailbox!
Lee, I wasn't even close.
They were close. You were close to the mailbox.
I know.
You were close to the mailbox.
White man.
Oh, there's a white van. Try to catch up to it. Try to catch up to it.
I bet I can drive one.
Catch up to it. Catch up to the white man.
Oh.
Yo, y'all are feeling this with me. I know. Oh my goodness.
The mailman's behind me. He's going faster than me.
Yo. Oh my goodness. Stay on the side of the road. Blinkers on good. Check your mirrors. Did you check the mirrors? I don't think you checked the mirrors.
This one mirror?
And there's 2 mirrors on the side. What do you mean?
I don't even use them. Oh another white van?
Why is there so many white vans today? It's conspiracy theory.
It's not a conspiracy theory. It's real. It's happening.
Oh yeah, that's not. Yeah, that's true. I'm going to white vans.
It's a nice car.
Are we going to get gas first?
Yes, unless you want to be pushing the car.
No, I don't think so. I did that one time. Not very fun.
Ooh, I don't know how to pump gas, so you're gonna have to do that.
You don't know how to pump gas? Today I'm gonna be teaching my sister how to pump gas, because you don't even know.
I mean, like I do, but like.
Well, we're gonna teach you.
I like watching people do it.
We're gonna teach you today. Now watch these cars that's coming this way.
Ooh.
Stay on this side of the road.
Really one lane, so if they could just
it is
stop
really
and
more.
do
Watch
that.
these cars. Why are you? Look at this. Why are you? Stay on the road.
That was scary.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go on the road. Let's go on the road. It's bumpy, yo.
So now I can be off the road.
Okay. Watch the. Okay. Now. You're making me nervous.
What is that noise?
What is the noise? That's your driving skills. What do you mean?
Woo!
That's called off-road driving.
Look at this.
Oh my goodness.
I'm actually a really good driver. I really am. These cars don't hurry up.
What do you? This is a red light. So you can't go.
Okay, but they can hurry up so the light will turn green faster.
That's not a thing.
Yes, it is.
You can't go faster for the light to turn green.
The light is literally waiting for them to pass, Lee.
No.
Pretty sure it is.
That's not what happened. It's on a timer.
It's timing how fast they're going.
No, it's not.
They're going slow, so the light is still red.
Oh my gosh, that's not.
Look, there's no one going now. Watch, about to turn green.
Negative.
What?
That's not how that works. It's a timer on the stoplight.
I'm pretty sure.
Said who? Who invented the stoplight? Go. Boom.
Oh my gosh, I did a project on this.
Who
Wait.
invented the stoplight? Wow. Know your history. Who invented the stoplight,
oh my gosh,
yo?
I did a project on this.
Comment down below. Who invented the stoplight?
Thomas Edison.
It's the light bulb.
I know.
I think. Yes.
Oh, it is a light bulb. I did a project on this. Is it a black guy?
I'm pretty sure it's a black guy. 100%.
Oh my gosh, I know this. I did a project on him in like 5th grade.
Barack Obama, duh. I'm just kidding. Not Barack.
Barack Obama was like 5 when the stuff that came out. I'm just kidding.
No,
I
he was.
honestly don't.
This is a green light, green light, green light.
That was. Ooh, but this actually scared me. I thought they were.
Yo,
joking.
you got the chill.
Woo,
You got the chill. You gotta go in this lane because it's only. You gotta go this one. We gotta go straight. Where we going? The gas station. I'm tripping. I thought we were going to Walmart.
How do I see? There's no red. I'm just gonna go.
You just go. Oh, let's
Oh
go!
my gosh.
Oh my gosh!
There's no stop sign.
Oh my goodness! I thought it was a car coming. You don't know how to pump gas for real.
I like know how to. Got games on your phone? He's not dancing at the pump right now. It looks like he doesn't know how to pump gas. Why is he looking like that right now? Who created the street light? Garrett Morgan.
Okay, we got gas.
Wasn't that so hard?
No, I actually got gas. Like
I was trying to literally go into drive right now, and the keys are not even.
You've done that twice already. I'm convinced you cannot drive. Oh, you wanna?
Wait for cars to pass.
There's no cars. We're at the gas station.
Well, they might come up.
From where?
Do you think I could drink this? Oh. Ooh. Whoa.
Why do you like? You really like? Like we're playing freeze tag. Guys, make sure you guys smash that like button right now. To watch
oh my gosh, I did not see that car.
Please, smash that like button right now.
I was looking behind
Oh my gosh. Smash that like button right now, y'all. So one like equals one prayer for us. And this lady's on her phone. Look at her. Look at her. At least you don't do that. Hey, pound it.
Those ladders literally would have went through the windshield.
These ladders right here, y'all, would have like came through the windshield and yoked me up.
At the car behind me, it was nice.
That's looking my biggest fear. You ever drove behind those big trucks with the wood, with the like the long tree trunks, and they just came through and just like, whoa,
horrifying.
Your whole head would be decapitated.
Oh my gosh, you'd get so much money from that though.
But you'd be dead. So you wouldn't get no money from it. So
like if it went through the middle.
Oh, if it went through the middle and not hurt you? Yeah, you get so much more. I make sure I'd be like.
There's literally no dodging that either. Like
there's no dodge. You'd be like, you'd be like,
there's nothing you can do.
Oh, you'd be like, oh.
Especially driving, there's literally nothing.
That'd be ridiculous. Look at this mother looking at me right here.
Remember that kid yesterday?
Yeah, there was a little kid that we were driving next to yesterday, and the little kid was literally staring at us the whole time of the red light.
And I was like, can I help you?
And she was just staring like.
And then she waved.
Then she waved at the wow.
Finally.
Yeah. So that's crazy.
I don't really know how to get to the mall this way.
You gotta make a left on that place that's by the IHOP right there. So won't you send me your location? Focus. It's left, make it left, make it left. Like your blanket, slow down. Oh.
Oh, I should get way over here.
Why would you get way over there? Why would you get way over here and nobody's in this? Not a car, truck is in that right now.
I'm not a leader, I'm a follower.
That's not good.
Look, I'm not even looking at my phone. That's crazy. Mom's gonna watch this again.
How are you driving? Give me this phone. Are you serious?
Leah, I was not even looking at
Are you serious?
I was looking straight forward. I have good peripheral vision.
What are you trying to look up?
Go to my profile.
Oh my gosh.
He put his finger on last minute, Lee. You cannot even be mad at me right now.
Why are you following so closely? That's what I'm trying to figure out. You need to be 2 car lengths at all times. 10 and 2, thank you.
It's alright. I tried to go down and without the brakes.
You trying to go downhill without the brakes. You gotta put the brakes going downhill. Like, everybody knows that. Oh my gosh.
It's like, what's it called? It was the hashtag on that tweet. Buddy,
you have the green.
What are you doing?
You have the green. You know you have the green. That's his fault.
Okay, but he was acting like he was gonna hit me.
I don't know what's wrong with people. So y'all must be like related because you can't drive and that person right there can't drive either. The stop sign.
Related. That means you can't drive. Is it Micah or? Oh, okay.
The audacity. You cannot drive. Right. Is it a thing where all females just can't drive? Is that a thing?
I can drive. All right, I'm gonna back in.
You can drive? You still in the back. You still in the bad angle. You still in the bad angle.
Still?
Oh yeah, unless you go. Yeah, keep going like that.
I'm going this
and then,
way.
yeah, and then come back
Ooh,
like that.
I cannot see.
Well, you better look.
Is there a pole, like a cylinder?
Yeah, watch the pole.
Okay.
There's a giant pole. I know you see that giant pole, so watch the pole.
Logie can't see it though.
Yeah, you let me in a blind spot.
Okay. Where are my lines? Boom. And go.
Oh, yes. I know you didn't hit the pole.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. Oh, no. Pull forward. Oh my gosh, she hit the...
Did I hit it? Did I hit it?
Yes.
Did I actually hit it?
Yeah, look at this scratch.
I told you I literally...
Look, park the car. Park the car.
Let me get back. Okay, can you guide me then? I told you I literally can't back.
Back up. Back up. Yo, you look.
I can't see.
Look. Keep coming. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Stop. Or you go right there. Look at this. Look at this. Get out the car. Park the car. You're good right there. Stop the car. Stop the car. Stop the vehicle, ma'am. Stop the vehicle. Y'all, look at this. She literally scratched up. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at you. You gonna fix this. You can't. You're broke. Oh my gosh.
This literally was...
How you not see this giant pole up? How do you not see this giant pole right here? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I told you I couldn't park backwards, so I don't know why, like...
Are you serious? Look at this, broke.
I said I needed to practice doing it. I didn't say I was good at it. That's why I said I needed to
Look at this.
It's not even that bad. I bet it still works. I really didn't
Look at...
Look at security thinking I'm stupid. I just can't drive. Nothing's wrong here, sir.
Look at you. You non-driving behind. Y'all. She cannot. This is the last time she's driving my car.
I didn't even think on it.
You go... Oh my gosh. You paying for this somewhere, somehow. Give me them shoes. Let me see them shoes.
It's really not that bad.
It's not that. Look at the scratch. Look at the scratch. Look at it.
Literally white out.
White out.
Your car is white. I mean, it'll be fine. I don't know about all that.
Oh my gosh. Yo.
I told you I literally couldn't backwards, so I don't know what you thought this was. I said I needed to practice. I didn't say I was good at it. That's what you practice. You practice things that you're bad at.
You said you could drive.
I can't drive. I can't park.
You cannot. This is driving? This is... You can't park. Put it that way.
Put it that way.
Y'all. Oh my gosh. Well, this is the end of the video. My sister can't park. Anything you want to like to say to people? Yo, I'm so mad right now.
I'm gonna drop my Venmo because he might actually make me pay for this. So if y'all want to help a sister out, I'm gonna put my Venmo in the link below. Y'all can give me money so I can help pay for this. Or we can just put white out on it. It's on the.
You can't put white out on this.
I don't know about the red part.
Oh my
Maybe
gosh,
that red
y'all.
tissue paper, the paper that you put.
My sister can't drive. You guys know she cannot drive. I'm gonna see you guys next time. Oh my gosh, for another video. You're not driving no more. Video's over. Make sure you guys drop a like. Turn on those post notifications. Oh my gosh. We're out of here. I'm gonna see you guys next time. I don't know what to do. Peace. Yeah. Yeet.